In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average in Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim web and head straight to the Charts tab. This is where you'll be able to view price action and apply technical indicators directly to your chart. If you're following along, make sure you already have a chart open so you can see the changes as you make them. Once you're on the chart screen, look to the top right area of the chart and click the Studies button. This is the menu that gives you access to all of the built-in indicators and chart overlays available in Thinkorswim. After clicking it, choose Edit Studies. That will open the panel where you can search for, add, and adjust studies on your chart. In the search box, type Moving Average. Thinkorswim will show several moving average options, and this is where you can choose the one that best fits your strategy or charting style. You may see Simple Moving Average, also called SMA, which gives equal weight to all periods. You may also see XAverage, or EMA, which reacts faster to recent price changes. There's also Weighted Moving Average, or WMA, and Whole Moving Average, or HMA, which some traders prefer for different smoothing and responsiveness. After selecting the moving average you want, click Add Selected. This places the indicator onto your chart setup so you can fine-tune it before applying it. Next, click the gear icon next to the indicator. This opens the settings where you can customize how the moving average looks and behaves. The main setting you'll usually want to adjust is the length. Common examples include 20, 50, 100, or 200, depending on whether you want a shorter term or longer term view of trend direction. You can also change the color so it stands out clearly on your chart, and adjust the line thickness if you want it to be easier to see. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK and then click Apply. Your moving average should now appear on the chart. If you want to compare trends using more than one moving average, you can repeat the same process and add additional ones with different lengths. But the basic setup is exactly the same. That's all it takes to add a moving average in Thinkorswim web. And once you've done it once, it becomes a very quick part of your chart setup.